Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will discuss about how to make a hook turn in Melbourne. So what is hook turn? In simple words, a hook turn is a right turn you make from the left hand lane. Let's say if you are driving in right hand lane, once you notice the hook turn road sign, you will need to move to the left lane, approach and enter the intersection from the far left hand lane and have your right indicator on. Stop at the far left hand side of the road. You will need to come to a complete stop and wait for the traffic lights on the other side to turn green. When the traffic lights turns green, you could proceed safely. I have noticed a lot of drivers turn right too early, especially if they notice the intersection is clear. You actually need to wait until the traffic light turns green on the other side. It's important to note that you are only allowed to make a hook turn when there is a sign or road marking indicating that it is permitted. In this example, it is the same intersection, but if you are traveling from the opposite side, you could turn right from the far right hand lane. Since there was no hook turn road sign, hook turn is not permitted. Usually, hook turn road signs are placed within couple of hundreds meters from the intersection. What is the purpose of hook turn? Hook turn helps reduce congestion and improve safety at intersection.